Hey y'all, I'm Jamie Deen. I'm back here in Mama's Kitchen. It's summertime and I've got a delicious, fresh, easy recipe for y'all today. Poppy seed strawberry chicken salad. I made chicken salad. I have made a ton, literally, of chicken salad in the last 30 years. Chicken salad is one of the first things that we did, and I've always made chicken salad. I love how many different variations of it is. I've been making a lot of potato salad lately. Potato salad, real quick bonus recipe for you. Take your potatoes, I like to use the tricolor potatoes, oil them up, season them really well, roast them. After they get soft, just smash them in a bowl, put some eggs and some celery and some mayonnaise in it. Roasted potato salad, delicious. I've done that twice just this week for the house. But I'm sorry, today we're doing chicken salad. So if you want to go to your local market and find a rotisserie chicken, that is the best chicken to use for any kind of chicken salad that you're doing. It takes all the work out of it for you. It's already seasoned. You can pull it apart, chop it up, throw it right into a bowl. If you'd like to, do y'all know that a whole fryer is $12 at the store right now?
Crazy.
A whole chicken is $12 at the store, which is really high. But so if you want to get yourself a whole chicken, you can boil it down yourself. You know what, a rotisserie chicken may be cheaper than a raw fryer right now. But put your onions, your carrots, your celery into a pot, boil your chicken down, season the water, and then you can pick it and use that. This is repurposed chicken that has been laying around here, so it's not rotisserie and it's not boiled, but this is some chicken breast that Groover cooked the other day, and so I'm just gonna use those. It's a great way to repurpose any chicken that you might have around your house. I'm talking a lot because this is a pretty simple recipe. It's not gonna take but 2 seconds. Y'all know I like to do the easy ones. Look at this. This is what Jack got Mom for, I don't know, was it, I don't know what.
She just wanted it.
She just wanted it, and so Jack bought it for her.
Yep.
This is a herb stripper. So you know, instead of coming through here and pulling this off, we've got some fresh tarragon that we're gonna use. You just pick a hole and then you pull this through there. And look, that's really a neat idea, because it's a small thing, but you know.
It's a pain.
It is. And look, that really does a good job with this tarragon. I love finding all these different kind of tools around Mom's house when I come. Ooh, that was a big one. Got to do this one twice, a little bit smaller hole. It's a pretty neat trick right here. No wonder Mom wanted it. Look at that. That was super easy. So we've got our fresh tarragon, and look at this other tool I found at Mama's house. Look at that. It's a lot of scissors on there. Really sharp too. I'm gonna be careful. I'm gonna see if I can chop these up with this. I've got some scissors similar to this, and it's rounded on the edge. So when I'm gonna do chopped salads, you just stick that tool down in the bowl like this, and one edge is round, so you just chomp, chomp, chomp. It's an easy way to chop a salad. There's some easy tips in this recipe today included. Plus, I got my main man, Henry, is still sitting here waiting patiently on his chicken salad. What do you say, Hen?
It's already looking good.
I love you, Henry. Henry's my guy. So we've got our fresh tarragon here, and I've chopped it up. If you don't have some, these look really super dangerous. You probably don't have those at home. You can use a knife. So we've got our chicken, and now we're gonna dress. What are we gonna use for our chicken salad seasoning? So in this, we're gonna do mayonnaise, pinch of salt, pinch of pepper. I'm gonna put some almonds in here, give it a little bit of texture and crunch, plus there's that little hint of almond flavor. We're gonna add our poppy seeds, which are just beautiful and goes so well with our strawberries. The last part of our dressing here is a little bit of Dijon mustard, which I love. And we're gonna squirt some fresh lemon juice on here. You'd be amazed at the power of half a lemon's juice in any of your salads that you do at home. I've said for years and years, it tastes like sunshine. I love fresh lemon in my foods, especially if we're doing them in salads. See how pretty that is? So we've got our dressing in here, and I'm gonna dress this before I add my strawberries because I really don't want to tear my strawberries up. Sprinkle my tarragon on. And you can always add, but you could never take away. So I'm gonna start with a little bit of our dressing. Now, depending on how you like your chicken salads, it's about perfect for me. It's got enough where it's a wet salad, but it's not too much, and I don't want it too dry. Finally, we're gonna stir in the star of the show. This is our strawberries that we've cut, quartered, and cored. And now we're just gonna twist these strawberries up in here, like so. I'm not prepared, so I'm gonna repurpose this bowl for our chicken salad. What do you think, Hen? You ready to eat?
Yes.
I've been sitting here talking to Henry when we were getting ready to go, and I didn't have any silverware. I don't have a pretty bowl. I don't have anything, but I got some good food, and I got a boy that's ready to eat it. Come on, Hen. Strawberry poppy seed chicken, y'all. Thanks, babe. And you want to stand right here with me? You could. That's your bowl, and this is my bowl. Go ahead. What do you think?
That's good.
Are you surprised because the strawberry and the chicken are together? Mm-hmm. Do you taste that tarragon? Do you know what that flavor is, or is it just a different flavor for you?
Just a different flavor.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. It's kind of minty.
Mm-hmm. That's good, isn't it? Mm-hmm. The strawberry, makes it taste so good. It'll turn your traditional chicken salad into a summer chicken salad. Y'all enjoy your summer. Find somebody close and make some chicken salad for them today. I'm Jamie Deen. This is Good Food. We'll see y'all around the kitchen.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.